Welcome back. In this comprehensive tutorial series, we'll delve into the realm of AI-powered content creation, focusing on two incredible capabilities: AI video generation and text-to-speech. We'll explore how these cutting-edge technologies can revolutionize your content creation process, providing engaging visual content through AI video generation and high-quality audio content via text-to-speech conversion. Join us as we unlock the potential of AI-driven creativity and explore the limitless possibilities for captivating your audience with compelling multimedia content. Part 1. Harnessing the power of free text-to-speech AI. To begin with, navigate to the Nero AI website, easily accessible through the link provided in the video description. Upon arrival, we'll seamlessly navigate to the Nero AI Studio by clicking the Create Free AI Videos button, initiating our foray into the realm of AI-powered content creation. Within the intuitive interface of the Nero AI Studio, we'll explore the text-to-speech menu, where we can effortlessly input or paste our script. Here, we have the opportunity to select our preferred language and voice actor, allowing us to tailor the auditory experience to align with our creative vision. Once our settings are configured, a simple click will set the AI in motion to generate the synthesized voice, enabling us to listen to the result in real time. Upon satisfaction with the AI-generated voice, we will proceed to obtain the voice file URL, ensuring seamless access to our synthesized audio masterpiece. By copying the link and downloading our AI-generated voice. Part 2. Unleashing the free AI video generator. Within the Nero AI Studio, we'll explore the Generate Video menu, empowering us to choose our AI avatar and craft our video script. To expedite the script creation process, we can leverage the AI script generator, seamlessly tailoring the narrative to resonate with our specific topic and target audience. Upon the completion of the generation process, an array of possibilities unfolds before us. There will be an option to select the most compelling script, allowing for modifications to the video background, and personalizing the AI video language and voice style to align harmoniously with our creative vision. Each element is carefully refined to encapsulate the essence of our message, ensuring a captivating visual and auditory experience for our audience. Finally, we embark on the last step of this transformative journey. By providing our email address, we submit the details, setting in motion the enchanting process that brings our AI-generated video to life. Prepare to witness the magic unfold as our vision materializes into a captivating AI-generated video, ready to captivate and inspire our audience. Part 3. Embracing free AI avatar creation in Canva. Recognizing the limitations within the Nero AI Studio, we'll seamlessly integrate Nero AI within Canva to elevate our video editing experience. As we input the video script, we can then choose the language and voice actor, ensuring that every nuance of our message is conveyed with authenticity and resonance. Once satisfied, we will then preview our AI-generated voice, reveling in the seamless fusion of technology and creativity. After that, we take the leap to initiate the creation. Part 4. Elevating your video with AI-generated backgrounds. As we reach the peak of our creative adventure, we're excited to enhance our AI avatar video with amazing video stock from Canva. This combination of art and technology allows us to go beyond traditional visual storytelling and create an immersive experience. First, we'll skillfully remove the current video background to make way for our vision. Then, we'll carefully explore Canva's video library to find elements that fit our story perfectly. We'll select the best video stock to become the new background, ensuring it complements our narrative. After fine-tuning every detail, we'll eagerly preview and then render and download our AI-generated masterpiece, ready to share with the world. Thank you for immersing yourself in this illuminating tutorial on free AI tools for content creation. Stay tuned for more captivating insights into the world of artificial intelligence. Until next time, bye.